Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix 0% clean air on Shark Air Purifier, sensor reset, filter and AQI tips. Fix 1 is let the air purifier finish calibrating. Turn on the air purifier, then wait 3 to 10 minutes for the calibration process to finish. Then check if the clean air percentage start increasing. Second one is clean the air quality sensor. Turn off and unplug the air purifier, then find the air quality sensor vent on the side or back of the unit. Then use a soft brush, vacuum or compressed air to remove dust. Plug the purifier back in and turn it on. Third one is check the air filter. Remove the filter, make sure all plastic wrapping has been removed, then reinstall the filter correctly. Replace the filter if it is dirty or has reached the end of its life. Fourth one is power cycle the purifier. Turn off the purifier, unplug it for 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart it. Wait for calibration to complete. Fifth one is use auto mode or a higher fan speed. Switch to auto mode if available. Then if air quality is poor, manually deselect a higher fan speed. Let the purifier run for 30 to 60 minutes before checking the reading again. Thanks for watching.